Hey guys, this is Will with Furnerology, giving you a review of the iPhone XS Max leather case directly from Apple. This little guy comes in at a good old price of $49. Thank you very much, Apple. Now, is this the best case on the market? I'd hardly say so, but is this styling and profiling with the leather and the Apple logo on the back? Yes, it is. Guys, this case may not be the best for drop protection, but you know what this case is? This case is an accessory. May not be the best for drop protection, but it is an accessory from Apple with the Apple logo in handmade leather. Let's get right on into it. Guys, this case is a beautiful back. You can see the stamped Apple logo. The buttons are actually machined metal in leather, so it has a great clickable action on both the volume up, the volume down, and the power button. Can't say much more than you just have to try this for yourself to feel how great that is. Now the bottom is exposed. As you can see, there is no drop protection at the bottom. If you were to drop your phone, you are going to drop it right on the metal and the charging port and screw up your phone, but that's why you get Apple protection. Now the back does have that felt type of feel to the inside, something that you could say will probably just wipe away fingerprints on the phone itself when it's in the case, so that's a nice added benefit. It does feel pretty nice though on the inside. Now overall, the case is just beautifully designed. I'm not trying to be an Apple fanboy, but it fits in there perfectly. I mean, Apple did design it. So guys, is this a case that you guys should get? Well, if you want to protect your phone, there are definitely better cases out there. But do you want that Apple accessory that is $49? An Apple accessory that tells everyone that you got one of the best cases that Apple makes? Yeah, I mean, go for it. Why not? I went for it. And I went for it because it's a beautiful case. I like leather. I think this leather just feels fantastic. Yeah, it can be a little bit tad slippery in the hand. But guys, get Apple Care. This phone is well over $1,000. You can afford Apple Care. It's only $3 a month. At least if you're buying this phone, you should be able to get Apple Care. But guys, back to the case. Is this a case that you're going to plan on getting? Is this a case that will do it for you? Or do you want something more like Tech 21 or OtterBox? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you plan on doing with your iPhone XS Max, if you plan on even rocking a case at all. But guys, please subscribe, please like. It does help the channel when everybody subscribes to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Again, this is Will with Furnerology, giving you a review of the iPhone XS Max leather case directly from Apple, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.